Hey guys, nice to see you again this week for the Oxen Labs update. On session, we have pretty much been working on the voice calls and session ID blinding stuff that I talked about a couple of weeks ago. Calls are moving forward. They're very, very close to being released. That's what I can say this week. Basically, we were working through a final thing where when you called from an Android device to an iOS device and answered from the kind of native call kit area, we would have a few issues there with the negotiation of the offers. That is now fixed, I'm happy to say, and then we're also fixing one more thing on Android. Essentially, when notifications are turned off, sometimes you can have a phone that's vibrating but they're not actually answering the call. So yeah, we're working on that as well. The ID blinding stuff is coming along nicely too. We've been working on that on Android and desktop too, so we're hoping to wrap that up in the next couple of weeks. And on iOS as well, we also have this big kind of task to refactor the database, which we're working through now, which should give us some nice performance gains and also make the development process a lot easier on the iOS side. On core, we've basically been working on the Wallet 3 stuff. We also had some updates with the Ledger team as well, working with some of their developers to make sure that the final aspects of staking from a Ledger wallet are working, and we're happy to they're updating us frequently, which is really good. So hopefully we'll be seeing some progress in that field soonish. On LokiNet, the name of the game basically has been getting the path build times down, and also in that process we've found a few issues which we've fixed up and have increased LokiNet performance as well at that time. So basically just trying to get path build times down on LokiNet, and that's going to be useful for session as well. So Jeff's working hard on that one, and then also on the Windows side we had a little bit of a breakthrough finding a new system in Windows to do DNS to make sure that we're not leaking the user's IPv6 address. So yeah, I think that just about wraps up our progress for this week. Yeah, thanks guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to another weekly update from your friendly neighborhood marketing guy. It's me. So this week, kind of still been working hard on the UX and UI for the brand new session features that are coming out. We're still chugging along with the branding and the website tweaks for Oxen right now. We've also been experimenting a lot with the ads, the session App Store ads. We're playing around and targeting different countries, targeting places that might be interested right now in using session, places like Brazil. Cam is just still continually crushing it on Twitter. We've had over 200,000 impressions, over 14,000 engagements, and actually something that we're beginning to notice is that Session's getting a lot of cut through in terms of when we reach out to people asking for podcasts and interviews, whereas before when we would just cold call it'd be crickets, but now people are actually responding. They've heard about Session, so Session's definitely getting its name out there. So you can look forward to seeing more interviews and podcasts down the pipeline as those start to flood in some more. Alex is continuing to pump out articles, and actually speaking of articles, we've been working with Cointelegraph for a brand new article, so you guys can look forward to that. That's it from me. I'll see you guys next week.